Global markets have made a partial recovery after coronavirus created shockwaves this week. Investors hope more coordinated monetary and fiscal stimulus could soften the effects of economic concerns. Ian King has the details.
UK and European stock markets opened higher. There wasn't much conviction to it, but as the morning went on, things picked up a little. And by lunchtime, we really had some quite substantial gains across European stock markets. The MIB in Milan, which obviously yesterday had the worst day in its history, sold off by some 17%. Well, it was sporting a 15% gain at one point. The FTSE was looking fairly chipper, ahead by some 4%. But when Wall Street opened, it's all gone a bit drifty throughout the afternoon. The FTSE 100 finishing there, as you can see, up just under 2.5%. All the major European indices in positive territory, but way off their earlier highs in the session. The DAX there particularly disappointing. That was 5% up at one point today, finishing just 0.75% higher. And it's been a similar story on Wall Street. All the US indices, they all opened to the good. But underneath that, well, you're looking at some of the Asian markets there, very choppy in Asia overnight. You can see the Nasdaq, that's up 3%. Likewise, the other main US indices, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500, they're also ahead by 3%, so well off their day's gains. The amount added to the FTSE 100 today in terms of its valuation, we often talk about money being wiped off stocks. I can tell you that £32 billion was added to the value of the UK's most valuable 100 companies today. But on the week, we are down some £275 billion. That's a hell of a fall.